Hey gang, PourMan here again, and we are here in Palm Desert. And before we get any farther, be sure you reach down, hit that subscribe button, make sure you don't miss any of these adventures. Now, I know you guys have your own cheers. Well, here in Palm Desert, the Desert Fox, that's the local cheers here. This is where all the local folks come to have some libation drinks and have Angie here make them some good stuff. So, Angie, you gonna make us some good stuff tonight?
I sure am.
What are you going to make us?
Tonight I'm gonna make you a couple drinks, but I'm gonna start off with the Mandarin Fox.
Okay, well, I like a couple drinks. Now, one rule, I only have one rule. Every drink has to have at least 2 ounces of active ingredient. Can you do that?
Oh yes.
You can do that.
Oh yes, I can double
You're
that.
hired. Have at it, Ange.
All right. So this is the Mandarin Fox, and we start off with 4 ounces
Nice pour. Look at that style.
of Absolut Mandarin,
I love it. You got style, girl.
1 ounce.
a little splash of blue curacao
Mhm.
for some color and a little bit of flavor, and pineapple, fresh pineapple juice. Give it a shake.
Shake-a-thon. Very professional. Look at you. Look at that perfect pour. Look at that, right to the top there, Mr. Owner, sir.
Big, beautiful drink.
That is beautiful.
And then we put a little color there,
All right.
and there we have
There we have it.
the Mandarin Fox.
This is the Mandarin Fox at the Desert Fox here in Palm Desert. All right.
Sorry.
Now, let's see how it is though. Got to do the taste test. Oh, Sam, that's a winner. Very good. To get the recipe, go to PourManMike.com and push this button right over here. You'll instantly become a Pour Minion, which gets you ahead of the line speed pass for each and every new PourMan adventure, plus other cool stuff. So, till next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan, and we'll see you around.